Hello children, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today we have assignment on so many topics. So what I want, when I'm just reading the question for you people, I want you people to analyze and understand the answer from your end. So let's begin the assignment. Choose the correct answer. Dash is the fastest among all the planets in its rotation. Dash is the fastest among all the planets in its rotation. You know, we have one automobile or two-wheelers. The name is Jupiter. Jupiter is the planet which move very fast among the other planets. Jupiter just moves very fast. It rotates very fast. Okay, so let's see whether we have that top one. We have three options here: Uranus, Venus, and Jupiter. Okay, so the fastest planet among all other planets is Jupiter. C is the answer. So remember in that manner, vehicle Jupiter, which rotates very fast. Okay, second one, name the smallest planet in the solar system. Name the smallest planet in the solar system. In the first orbit, okay, we have 8 orbits, right? 8 planets. In the first orbit, which planets is come first? So the first planet is Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet among all that. Do we have that? Mercury, yes. The first one, Mercury is the smallest planet. So answer is A. A is the answer. Let's go for the third one. Which planet rotates from west to east? Which planet rotates from west to east? You know, Earth rotates from west to east like this. Earth rotates from west to east, whereas the latitudes, okay, latitudes it moves from east to west. So Earth rotates from west to east. So let's see whether we have the option Mars, Earth. Yes, B is the answer. B is the answer. So remember, Earth rotates from west to east. What is the other name for the planets? What is the other name for planets? Do we have any other name for planets? For moons, we call as followers. So what is the other name for planets? Let's see, it is called as wonders. Okay. Followers is we call for the moons. Avengers is something which you people, you know, children, you love the movie Avengers. Different. They are the protective of a universe. They protect the universe. They protect the earth. Okay, definitely these both are not there. Then what is the third was? Wonders. Okay, which moves around the sun. So the answer is C is the answer. Is it clear? Let's go for the fifth one. Dash is the only planet which supports life. Dash is the only planet which supports life. Definitely, in our solar system is only one planet which supports life. That is Earth, where we all are living. So, Earth. A is the answer. Is this clear, all of you? I think when I'm reading the question, you are just writing the answer from your end. Okay, children? Just think about the answers. Let's go for the next slide. Yeah. Dash is the brightest and hottest planet. Dash is the brightest and hottest planets. This planet is also called as twin planet of the Earth. Early in the morning, 5 o'clock, when you wake up and when you can see the bright shiny star near the moon, that is Venus. Venus you can see early in the morning with the naked eyes, and sometimes in the evening also around 6 and 6:30 also you can see Venus planet with your naked eyes. So the dash, the brightest and hottest planet is Venus. So answer is C. C is the answer. Let's go for the seventh one. Name the planet which is fastest from the sun. Name the planet which is farthest from the sun. So which planet is farthest from the sun? First planet is Mercury and the last planet is Neptune. This you will understand, and when you thorough with all the orbits of the planets, which planet come in the first orbit, which planet come in the second orbit. So when you know the sequence of the orbit, the chronological order, you will definitely know which is the farthest planet. So the farthest planet is Neptune. A is the answer. Pluto is no way. It is not in our solar family, solar system actually. So this is a dwarf planet which vanished after a few million years. Okay, we are not considering this as a planet right now. Okay, let's go for the eighth one. Planets move around the sun on a set path known as. Planets move around the sun on a set path known as. You know, planets always move on a set path. Okay, on a set path, it just rotates. It rotates and revolve. Okay, rotation and revolution. So that is called orbit. That is called orbit. The set path is called orbit. So axis, orbit, rings. So the answer is B. B is the answer. Is it clear, children? Let's go for the ninth one. Name the planet which rolls on its sides on its axis. Name the planet which rolls on its sides on its axis. Every planet move on a set path. They just move. But there's one planet which rolls like a ball and rotates. It rolls like this. It rolls and rotates. It rolls and rotates. So this is Uranus. Uranus is a planet which rolls and rotates. Okay. So Jupiter, Uranus and Venus. So answer is B. B is the answer. Okay. Let's go for the 10th one. This we conclude the assignment. Which planet is known as ring planet? Which planet is called as ring planet? You know, Saturn, it looks so beautiful with the rings. Okay, if you really have very advanced telescope, or if you have any science museum nearby, you can actually see that. It looks so beautiful from the telescope. Okay, when the sky is very clear. So the which planet is known as ring planet? Saturn. Answer is Saturn. A is the answer. I hope this is all perfect with you. So you can do this when you're perfect with your content. So read, make a habit of reading your textbook, children. Thank you. Thanks a lot.